Today we're gonna be putting a twist on a favorite dessert that most people know how to make, but we're making it a top notch. Look how cute my apron is. I just had to point that out. Let's head over to the stove and get this recipe started. It is super easy, it is simple, and literally it is a no bake. Well, I say no bake, but you do need the stove. So I have a pretty big pan right here. We're gonna go ahead and put that on low heat. And then I'm gonna add 1 stick of butter, and we're gonna go ahead and melt that really slowly. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a whole bag, and this is 16 ounces of marshmallows. Now we're gonna keep this on low heat. We wanna make sure that we're not heating this too fast because we don't want our marshmallows burning or tasting burnt either. Y'all, this is so good. Okay, tell me if you are a marshmallow fan. My household loves marshmallows. So we're gonna just go ahead and kinda just keep mixing this. You wanna keep stirring it the whole time. And then after it starts to just get a little bit warm, we are gonna be adding 1 package of lemon jello. And make sure it's not sugar-free. And we're just gonna sprinkle that all the way on top. And then we're gonna go ahead and, we're gonna go ahead and keep mixing. If you're melting really fast, go ahead and turn that heat down. Isn't that a beautiful yellow color? I'm telling you, this is a great, easy dessert that you can take to any kind of party. It's fun for the kids to make. And then after it has started to melt, we're gonna go ahead and add all of our Rice Krispies in, and I have 6 cups of that. Make sure you turn off your heat before you add your Rice Krispies. Oh man, this smells so good. It's lemony and sweet. Okay, so after you get all of that mixed and incorporated in, I have a 9x13 pan right here. We're gonna go ahead and spray it with a little bit of oil and then bring over that delicious lemon Rice Krispies. And then we're just gonna pour that into our pan. Telling you, your kids are gonna love this. Now I'm gonna use another spatula. This one is clean. We're gonna go ahead and spray it with some oil. We're gonna move this one to the side and then use that clean spatula, and we're just gonna press it down into our pan. Easy peasy. Even if you're a beginner baker, this is perfectly easy. And then I've actually got some sprinkles right here. I'm gonna do some green sprinkles on top. So I'm just gonna put those in my hand, and then we're just gonna lightly sprinkle those on top. And then I'm also gonna be doing some white. Use whatever sprinkles you have at your house. And then we're just gonna let this cool for about 30 to 45 minutes. All right guys, so it's giving me some macaroni and cheese vibes just because of the color. Yeah, my daughter came in and was like, Mom, is that macaroni and cheese? I was like, nope, it is not. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and taste this. Ooh, wait, it is definitely a little gooey still. Probably could have let it rest a little bit more. Look at this. Okay, can you say fun food? Let's taste this. That is lemony, let me tell you. It has a little bit of a lemon taste to it. It's got the crunch from the Rice Krispies and of course the nice marshmallow texture that it gives it. It is so good. Y'all, this is so easy. And again, this is like a twist on a traditional dessert. All you had to do is add that jello into it. And hey, you know what? You could probably do this with any flavored jello that you wanted to. Like you could do the berry, the grape, or even like the cherry. That would be really delicious, y'all. I like it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below if this is something that you would make. And if you'd like to see another recipe, click on the video link right here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.